All right, we got this Burnham Series 2. It's a big boy. This is an 208. 250,000 BTU hydronic boiler with multiple zones. Check a look at this. We have this supply pipe coming out, going here, going there, around. There is nothing holding up any of this. And the tank. You want to see something more crazy? Come with me, Derek. I swear you can't make this shit up. Okay? Remember the housekeeper showed us this room, right? With this, looks like a 75-gallon power vented water heater. What do you see what's wrong with this picture, Derek? Besides the expansion tank looking like Ray Charles put it in with Helen Keller holding his hand.
What's on top of this?
Well, like, how far did you get with the...
Where's the flue?
Exactly, where's the flue? The flue is on the floor. Literally, the flue is on the floor, going to there. Right? Hold on. Watch this, look. Someone decided to use some spray foam to connect this 2-inch to that 3-inch, which then goes outside. You've got to be kidding me. Let's turn this switch off for right now. Okay. In the back of the truck, we're going to get the glue and the primer, and we're going to put this back together. And, I don't know. Unbelievable. Unbelievable. I need to start carrying my personal carbon monoxide monitor. I swear, folks, you can't make this stuff up. That's why they call me Saint Mike, saving people's lives. Now, folks, I'm not going to reinvent the wheel here, but we cut out the broken 45. I threw in a coupling there with a new 45, and it's properly glued in now. Let me show you. Coming out of the top of the 75-gallon power vented water heater, which is a disaster, as you can see. You don't got to be a rocket scientist to realize that this GPVX75L 310 was installed incorrectly and probably by an amateur. A lot of corrosion originating probably from that solder joint right there on top of the tap T on the side. Anyway, new 2-inch PVC 45. I used a CPVC coupling and a little piece of 2-inch right there. Now, we're not done. Derek was servicing the boiler, I cut out that disaster that's there. And yes, I realized the no-hub coupling here after the fact. It is what they did here, folks. Look what they did. They jammed this in there, right? They put the 2-inch into the 3-inch. They did something with this rubber gasket or some sort. And this was in here like that, right? That's how it was. It was just like that. See? So when I cut this out of there, which was that away. Was it that away? No. It was this way, yeah. Because the spray foam was pointing that way. I cut that there. Can you believe this? Look at this. What on earth were these people thinking? Unbelievable. Unbelievable. Disgusting. Hacks bring us stacks. And I'm not even going to charge them an arm and a leg for this because everything else is wrong, but I'm just going to charge them for the time and the fittings. But Derek did a nice job cleaning the boiler. Nice big blue flame there. He just did a combustion analysis. We're going to get some WD-40 on this circulator flange. Lube that up. But nice and clean. Unbelievable.